What up, trillionaires? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let a couple of y'all get on real quick. I got something to talk to y'all about. Let's see who's on. Yep. You heard the topic of the day. You heard the topic of the day. Yep, I said it. Bill reduction. Y'all thought, you want to go and share this, man? You want to go and share this? What's up, trillionaires? What's going on? It's Jeff Trills. We talking about bill reduction. Now, we all know we got these bills that we pay every month. That's what takes the money out of our checks, right? We know about the bills that come out of our checks. Our cell phone bill, we gotta live with it. We can't live without it, right? Some people paying 3 and 4 people's bills. Harold, what up, champ? Right? Some people paying 3 and 4 people's bills, right? What's up, Sheila Mac? Return on the Mac. Yeah, this spice is a tangling. You feel me? Listen, bill reduction. How would you like to have your bills reduced? Reduced. All right? That's also part of wealth. You see, once again, it's all about reducing your bill without having to worry about increasing your credit scores, without having to worry about having extra money, right? We're going to show you how to reduce your bills up to 60%, man. Let me tell you something. We have a special call going on Thursday night, and I'm giving y'all a fair warning right now. You want to share this video because the person that shares this video with you has access to this program that we about to put you on. Bill reduction. How would you like to get your bills reduced? Your cell phone bills, your cable bill. How many times have we called and got the cable deal, right? And they gave me this deal, right? Oh, you got the cable deal for whatever, the $100 or whatever, $95 a month. And then sometime next year, you see an increase in your bill. You're like, what? Yo, how am I paying this much now? Oh, the promotion's over, sir. How would you like to never have to worry about those things happen to you ever again? Where your bill is reduced and it stays reduced. Your cell phone bill gets reduced and it stays reduced. Your light bill gets reduced and it stays reduced. Your gas bill and electric bill gets reduced and stays reduced. Without paying a single cent more. If y'all want to know what that is, we have a call going on Thursday night, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to show you this bill reduction program that we're about to release. Now, it's not, but it gets way better. It's just not for the personal. Now, I'm talking about personal. But if you have a brick and mortar, listen up, my business owners, my 1099ers. If you have a brick and mortar, you definitely want to be on this call on Thursday night because we're going to talk about how to get your brick and mortar bills reduced. That's right. Your light bill, the gas bill, the electricity, whatever the bill is, the phones in the business, reduced. You're going to hear all about it on Thursday night. I'm just giving you a little sneak peek. Now, if you want to know how and you want to be invited to the party, then you want to comment below, I want in, so I can make sure that you're plugged in. Or whoever shared this live with you, type I want in, and then make sure on Thursday night you get plugged in because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be available to the public. It's actually available to the members that have access to these services. But you deserve to know about it because I'm telling you, if you have a brick and mortar, click and order, or you have your own personal bills and you paying people's bills, it's time to get them reduced. Because that means there's more money back in your pocket. That is more money back in your pocket without spending an extra dollar to do that. That's called financial wealth. You see, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep, save, and compound. So I get to enjoy the luxuries of what I'm already enjoying, paying these high bills, but now I don't have to pay these high bills anymore, and my bills get reduced to enjoy the same luxuries I was paying prior to the knowing this information. What's up, Miss Reed? Oh, it's going down. Believe it, please, it's going down. You definitely want to be in the know, so comment below, I want in, so I can make sure that I, or whoever says this live with you, get you the information for Thursday as we share in detail how this bill reduction strategy will allow you to have the thing that you're already paying reduced without limiting the access to the service that you currently have. They will negotiate this bad boy for you. Yo, this is the most. We just getting started. We good. What's up, Miss Apple White? How you doing, superstar? We just getting started. So if you got a business or know somebody got a business and they paying brick and mortar bills, if you know anybody who is a home-based owner or whatever, or you have bills in your house that you want the services, but you're not cool about how much it costs for those services, let's make sure that you get on this call on Thursday night, 8:30, excuse me, and we show you exactly how to have bill reduction happen for your already existing bills without doing anything different, because we're connected to the source. This is what's been going on for years that the average folk never had access to. Upon making wealth, people have been decreasing debt, eliminating bill costs, and they have programs in place to actually have that happen. Now it's being available to the average American, right? And if you've been a brick and mortar, now, oh my gosh, that means that's more money back in your pocket without reducing the way you live. I got you, Cassandra. I got you. I got you, Kay. Y'all want to definitely make sure that y'all get plugged in. Because I'm telling you, man, if you got bills and you want to find out how to reduce your bills, then you want to get down with Trills. You feel me? If you got bills and you want to find out how to reduce those bills with Trills, you better get down with me. Don't play. Don't play. Because this is what wealth looks like. The more money you make without having to spend it out, that's the more capital that continues to flow throughout your household. Do you understand? It's not how much money you make. It's how much money you keep and grow. That's where wealth is created. That's where never be broken another day in life is created. That's when your habits will change because you no longer are stressing to live check by check, bill by bill. Oh, Daryl, it is on and popping like you don't even know. How you already know, we locked in. So, y'all see the title. Y'all see the title. Thursday night, it's going down. If you want access to that information, you better inbox me or comment on one end. Daryl, I got you. Harold, I got you. If somebody share this live with you and you comment on their wall, I want it, they'll get you the information. But this is going to be for a select few as we roll it out. So, at the end of the day, if you want to access this bill reduction program and this bill reduction information, then you definitely want to get back with me or whoever sent this information to you. Because like I said, we're being real choosy right now. I'm gonna be honest. The thing that we get to do, this is a luxury, man. I'm not begging anybody to get their bills reduced. I'm not doing that. So if you want it, you gotta let me know. Point blank. If you want your bills reduced and learn how to get access to this bill reduction program, you better inbox me or comment on one in below. Because other than that, I'm not inboxing you. And I'm not commenting to you and I'm sharing you. I'm coming on live right now to put y'all on game. Because you see these bills in my house? They fitting to be reduced. They fitting to be reduced. Hey, so you already know. I'm already plugged in. It's time for you to get plugged in. Because somebody's going to get plugged in and them bills are going to get reduced. And they're going to continue to be reduced. And oh my God. They keep it going. They keep on doing it as long as you got the program. So there's no more sneaking up on you and bringing bills back up because you wasn't aware that the promotion was over. Hold on, y'all. Because you wasn't aware the promotion was over. Whatever promotion you get from you going to Walmart to get you this, if you just join us, you get the discount, on your cable, your network, or your dish, or whatever. But then after whatever months, they slip it in on you. They slip it on you real quick. Right? Hold on, y'all. Work is getting done while I'm talking to y'all. We don't play over here. We get it in. I'm letting man, listen. In this year, 2020, I'm being very selective. Joe Lowrider on there, I got you. I'm gonna come back to this live because you got 2 days to let me know that you want in, that you want to know the information. If you don't say you want on this live, I'm not going to hit you up. This is not one of those things. I'm not going to beg you to get your bills reduced. Period. I'm not. So I'm putting you on right now. If you don't say I want in on this bill reduction, then I'm not going to tell you. I'm coming on live right now to put you on. Those who say they want in, I got you. Those that inbox me and say I want in, I got you. Those that inbox the person that's sharing this bad boy, I got you. Or they got you, because they got the same information that I got. But Thursday night, 8:30, this will not be televised. It's for a chosen few people, because remember, wealth is shared with the with the privilege, it's a certain group of people that get this information. I got people that make millions of dollars, but not in the right circles. So you can have millions of dollars, but not in the right circles, and you still spending your money like that. But then you can have the same $1 million or less, be in the right circles, and get all the benefits that happen in these circles, man. And that's what we have. We are plugged into the right circles. I call it the Amazon of financial literacy and implementation. That's what we get access to. The Amazon of financial literacy and financial implication. Maybe I'm saying the word wrong because I'm so excited. Jay, I got you, Jay. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. This is just the beginning. Oh, my man, my hat about to fall off my head. This is just the beginning. So, cell phone bills, cable bills, internet bills. Well, that comes with cable. Your light bill, your gas bill, reduced without taking a hit on the value of service you're getting. You better. I want in is the magic word for me to hit you up with the information. I want in or inbox me, I want in. That's the only way you're going to get this information. I'm not going live with it. Ain't going to be no, it's going to go on my live, it's going to go on my wall. I'm shooting this video right now, 2 days before that event happens. If you want to access that information, you want to comment on this bad boy, I want in, or inbox me, I want in. If somebody shared it on their wall, comment, I want in, or inbox them, I want in. Mr. House, we are not playing with this bill reduction. Okay? So, I'm talking to y'all straight up, telling y'all what is about to happen on this call at 8:30. I don't know the details, but on that call, the details will be revealed. You will know the details of everything that we get to do, from all the bills we get to reduce, and how it all gonna work out. And I'm only giving this to people that comment I want in, or inbox me, or somebody who shared it with you. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. Because I'm not looking for people who are not looking for a bill reduction result, because we're already paying these bills. I know you're tired of paying these bills. And if you want access to this information in its full detail, I want you first, set aside some time on Thursday at 8:30, because when I send you the link, this ain't going to be no replay. Oh, I missed it. Can I catch the replay? The only way you're going to catch the replay, I don't even know how. I might have to ask the CEO about the replay. But he told me, get everybody on this call that you want on this call. So I'm being very selective, because I am not playing with this stuff. I take what I got very serious. I'm not just going to be giving out to everybody that don't even raise their hand and say they want it. So if you don't raise your hand and say you want it, trust me, you're not going to get it. All right? Trust me, you're not going to get it. And that's cool. Care Bear stare from over there. But if you want access to this bill reduction and much more, then you want to make sure that you are in. You want to make sure that I say I want in, and I want to know how to reduce my bills. Oh, say, all right, Ernest over there. So you say you want in? All right, cool. We're gonna hit you up. Because I'm telling you, I'm going to get my bill reduced regardless. Man, it pays to be connected to the right source, man. I'm telling you, it pays to be connected and in the right groups, in the right loops, man. I have millionaire friends right now that don't know half of what I know, or have access to half of what I got access to. And when I share with them, some say, yo, where's some information? And some say, oh, I'm good. Okay. And I ask them a question. is X, Y, Z going on for you? They say no. I said, don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. So like I said, if you're watching this live right now and you see me live and you want to know how to reduce your bills, your internet bill, your cable bill, your cell phone bill, your light and gas bill, and much more, you want to comment, I want in on this comment, and I'm going to get you the information. Or inbox me, I want in. Or if somebody sent this video to you, comment and get back with them and tell me you want in. Because that's the only way I'm going to get this information out. I'm telling y'all right now. Okay? So shout out to everybody who have access to this program. Shout out to everybody who's about to find out that comment, I want in. And I'll see you guys next live. Remember, be great because you are great. Bill reduction time is about to start. Starting Thursday, 8:30. Set some time aside on 8:30 p.m. Eastern time to find out how you can potentially get your bills reduced and have access to all these phenomenal resources, because now it's not about how much money you make, it's about who you connected with. Hey Tracy, what a superstar. So we connected and we plugged in. All right, Thursday night, 8:30 p.m., you're going to find out exactly how to get it going. Ernest, I'd love to come on your watch party, but I'm about to do a watch party. Not watch party. I'm about to do a presentation at 7:45, so I get prepared around that time, my brother. But anytime, any other day, I'll be able to do that, champ. But thank you for the invite. But like I said, I'm about to go. I just want to come on here real quick and share with y'all this bill reduction program that we about to launch out. 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, Thursday night. Set the time aside. Set your calendar and put that time aside. If you come, I want in. That's the only way you're gonna get the link from me. Okay, it's the only way you're gonna get the link from me. I want in. Either inbox me or put on this wall, or somebody's gonna get to you by doing the same thing. But other than that, it's Jeff Trills. Be great because you are great. I'll see you guys tonight in the next live. Share this, comment, tag people in this post. Because if they want to get their bills reduced, this is the place you want to be at, and putting the I want in so you can get the information next. Oh, this Thursday coming up. What's up, Rhonda? What up, superstar? All right, y'all. So be great because you are great. I'm about to roll out. Got to do some things, and I'll see you guys in the next live. Peace. Everybody who said I want in, I got you. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the people that said I want in, and whoever inboxed me, I got you with the link on Thursday. It's gonna be a private link. Say less. You're going to find out about bill reduction, and then you can be able to take advantage of bill reduction because you're part of the right circles. Get with me, boy. Get with me, ladies and gentlemen. It's going down. Jeff Trills. I see y'all. Be great because you are great, and I'm out.